In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Shopify in just 5 minutes. This process is going to help streamline your accounting tasks by syncing your Shopify transactions with Zoho Books, making bookkeeping easier and more accurate. So get ready to follow along as we walk through each step to ensure a seamless integration. First, let's head over to the Zoho Books website. Open your browser and navigate to the URL for Zoho Books. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, simply log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Zoho Books dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial activities. Familiarizing yourself with this space is useful because it's where you'll manage and monitor your accounting once the integration is complete. Next, from the dashboard, locate and click on My Account. This option is crucial because it houses the settings you'll need to adjust for integrating with Shopify. It serves as the gateway to customizing and connecting Zoho Books to other platforms seamlessly. After accessing My Account, your next step is to click on Settings. The Settings section is where you can configure various aspects of Zoho Books to tailor it to your specific business needs. It's where you'll find options to customize your accounting preferences, manage users, and importantly, set up integrations like the one we're doing today. Within the Settings menu, click on Connections. This is where you'll manage and create different connections with third-party applications. Establishing connections here allows Zoho Books to automatically reflect important transactions and financial data, saving you time and effort in bookkeeping. In the Connection section, click on New Connection. This option allows you to initiate the process of linking Zoho Books with another platform, like Shopify. Creating a new connection is an intuitive process designed to guide you smoothly through linking the two applications with minimal hassle. Next up, click on Shopify, which is listed among the available platforms you can connect with. Selecting Shopify is a necessary step in marrying your e-commerce operations with your accounting software. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that enables businesses to set up an online store quickly and efficiently, which is why integrating it with Zoho Books can provide significant operational benefits. Once you've selected Shopify, proceed to click on Create and Connect. This step is where you formally establish the connection between your Shopify store and Zoho Books. By clicking this option, you allow Zoho Books access to relevant Shopify data like sales transactions, customer details, and more. The integration will enable automatic syncing of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes, ensuring your accounts are updated accurately and in real time. And that's it. Once connected, you'll see that the transactions from your Shopify store will automatically update in Zoho Books, making it much easier to manage your accounts. This integration will help reduce errors associated with manual data entry and free up your time to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in the dizzying details of bookkeeping. Now that you've completed the integration, here are a couple of tips to make the most of this powerful new setup. Firstly, regularly check both your Shopify and Zoho Books dashboards. This practice ensures that the integration is working smoothly and that all the data is syncing accurately. It will help you catch any discrepancies early on, allowing you to correct them before they become larger issues. Secondly, dive into the reports section within Zoho Books. By taking advantage of the reports generated from your synced Shopify data, you can gain valuable insights into your store's performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions for your business. In conclusion, integrating Zoho Books with Shopify is a straightforward process that can vastly improve your accounting workflow. It streamlines sales tracking, reduces manual errors, and provides a clear financial picture of your business. This short tutorial was designed to guide you through the steps quickly while ensuring you have a successful integration. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your business operations with software tools. We hope this integration helps you save time and enhances your e-commerce efficiency. Thank you for watching and see you next time.